Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by installing the Space Desk server on your Windows 11 PC. This creates the virtual display windows we'll share. Once done, open the Chromebook's Google Play Store and install the Space Desk View app so it can receive the stream. Make sure both devices are on the same local Wi-Fi or use your phone as a hotspot for isolation. Also, allow the Space Desk service through your Windows firewall so the Chromebook can discover the PC immediately. Now open Space Desk View on the Chromebook and tap the detected Windows machine. A live secondary desktop should appear within seconds. On Windows, right-click the desktop, choose Display Settings, and set the new monitor to extend so you can drag windows across. Once connected, change the resolution and scaling on the virtual display to match the Chromebook screen for legible text and smooth animation. If you need portrait mode, set orientation on Windows. To finish, lock your preferred resolution and refresh rate in Windows so the Space Desk session stays stable. Then arrange displays in display settings so the cursor moves logically. Remember, the Chromebook acts as a display only. Audio stays on the PC unless you route it separately. If you see stutter or dropouts, first move both devices to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or reduce resolution. Alternatively, use USB tethering for a wired, low-latency link. If discovery fails, confirm firewall rules and that the Space Desk service is running.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.